in the barn. Well, seems that we got some snow up here. It's interesting. I think I'll hold out in this barn just a little bit longer. King of the swamp. Not used to the cold weather. I guess I'll have to grow accustomed to it. Seems how I'm down here now. Down south, we don't have these cold weathers. Nice and warm. But I done see snow for the first time. Well, we'll see how it goes. See if I can find anyone. Start a league with. Heard that they're doing a tournament around here. I'll figure it out. At the end of the driveway. Wow, Genius. Did you really knock down this entire tree? Yep. Test of my power. The winds that I produce have become extremely strong. I didn't realize that it was this strong, though. I don't mean to bother you two, but you're on our land. Now, if you just come with me, I'll have you talk with the boss and it'll be all over. Who said that? The name's Calzar. Just come with me, we'll get everything sorted out. Alright. Here they are, Phoenix. You did a fine job, Calzar. So if you don't mind me asking, who might you two be? My name's Blasgenius. I'm the Beyblade of the Wind. My name's Betromoth. I'm the Beyblade that controls the rain. I'm Phoenix. The Beyblade of Eternal Life. That's Calzar. The Beyblade of Eternal Power. So, what's this that we hear about knocking down a tree? You taking out trees on my land? I'm sorry, I didn't intend to. I was testing my power and it kind of blew over. Sorry. Well, now we have more firewood for winter. Sorry about that. Look, do you know anything about the Beyblade War that's coming? Yep. We've been preparing for it. We're trying to become stronger. How about you become stronger with us? If that's alright with you, Wyvron. If you two will keep my family safe, we will gladly welcome you into our home. How about we just do a little test first? We'll have a battle. See if you guys are worth our time. Sounds like a deal. Alright, here's the stadium. So who's going to battle first? That'll be me. My name is Achilles. 2 variable. And I'm going to take you down. Alright, I'll battle first. My name's Betromoth. Spread fusion. Let's do this. An attack versus a balance type, huh? Sorry, messed up my launch. I think you're nervous. Of you? No way. You got some power after all. What, you think I've been training in the woods for nothing? We're winning this war. You were pretty close to bursting. Well, I got the point first. They're pretty strong, Genius. I think we should join them. seen my power yet. Alright, now I'm interested. Achilles, you'll fight me next. My name's Blasgenius. My combo is arm trans. Let's see how you can do. I'm a little rusty, you'll have to forgive me. I think you're a little scared. Hey, that's my line. Don't worry, I'll take him down. You're not the first Achilles that I've battled. There's no other Achilles out there but me. No, there is. A heavy metal version. Possessed by a demon. You're nothing compared to him. I'll show you my power here and now. Go right ahead. It's not gonna do anything. You can't KO me. You were saying? Lucky shot. I'll take you down with my special move. Hurricane Crush! Your special move will have no effect on me. I'll cut through the wind. Right to your core. What? You can't beat the storm. So you guys think that we're worthy of having you? Yeah. We'll join your little army. Let me welcome you into the home, brother. The name's Wyvern Heavy Iron. I'll do what it takes. Once you can battle. I'll protect your family. I'll keep up my end of the deal. You'll keep up yours. That's the way that it's gonna work. Let's go. You're pretty fast, but you gotta land a hit if you want to do any damage. You got this, big bro. I'll take him down, little bro. You have a lot of life after death. Let's see if you can handle my attack power, though. Of course I can handle your attack power. I'm the Bay of the Wind. You've got a raising layer gimmick. Allows you to have a lot better defense. It's a strong strategy. It's hard to break through. Well, you've convinced me enough. Welcome to the family. Glad to be here. I guess we should get to work and get to know each other. This is going to be an interesting trip. Yeah, and now we can help protect the house from the storm. Yep. Let's get to work, boys.